If you think you're going to be selling your real estate over the next 5 years or even 7 years, you need to do it now, right now. And here's why. Hi, I'm Desi Arnaz, professional investor, and I'm a real estate investor and note investor. I started investing in real estate way back in 1982, probably before some of you were even born. I was already at that time a real estate broker and I owned a Century 21 franchise. But I can tell you this, during my career, I have seen prices go up and then they come down. And then they go up and then they come down. Sometimes it takes quite a while for them to go back up again. And so what I've been telling people is this: if you're thinking about selling your property in the next 5 to 7 years, do it now, because we're at the top of the market. And I know that some of you guys don't want to hear that. You want to think that your property is going to go up even more, and maybe it will. I don't have a crystal ball, but here's what I can tell you. Once it starts coming down, it's like a rock dropping. There's nothing you can do to stop it, and you can't sell it because the prices have already started to fall. And what happens when the prices start to fall is the buyers in the market take a step back and say, whoa, we don't want to buy right now because prices are coming down. And so they don't buy. And since they don't buy, prices keep coming down because people need to sell their homes, you see? And so what I'm telling you is this: right now the markets are still hot all around the country. Now is the time to sell it. Sell your real estate, take that money and put it in the bank or invest it in something that is not high risk, okay? And wait for the market to crash. Once the market crashes, prices are going to be at the rock bottom again, just like they were in 2009 and 10. And you'll be able to buy the same house that you sold now at this price, you'll be able to buy it for this price if you want to buy the same house again. That's how this stuff works. I've been through these types of cycles now 4 times in the last 40 years. So guys, I'm telling you what I know. Now is the time to sell that real estate. Now is the time to make that happen. Go ahead and do it. Go rent. I know rents are high, but that's okay. Just pay the higher rent because the overall long-term strategy is going to pay off for you in a big way. I know what I'm talking about. Now is the time to sell that real estate. I am a real estate broker, but I'm not selling houses anymore because I make my money now as an investor. I own a large mortgage note portfolio that pays me money every single month. So when you sell your real estate, here's something you can do with the money. You can take that money and invest it into mortgage notes. If you don't know how to do that, then head over to investbrilliantly.com, because at investbrilliantly.com, you can learn all about investing in mortgage notes. That's my website. Because as a mortgage note investor, even when the market crashes, you're fine. You're in a very safe position. If you want to understand how that works, as I said, head over to investbrilliantly.com. On my website, I actually have a free training. It's called Note Investing for Newbies. So if you don't know anything about this stuff, it's a 10-part video series. It's free. You can download it right there. You can watch it. It'll help put things in perspective for you. And then if you want to know more, just give me a call. We can talk about note investing and I'll tell you how this stuff works. I'll tell you how it changed my life when I found out about notes back in 2013 and how it has changed the lives of so many people that I've shared this whole concept with. So right now, if you're sitting on a bunch of equity in your real estate, it's time to pull it out. Trust me. Now, if you want to keep your house, if that's your plan, I do want to tell you this. Watch my next video, because in my next video, I'm going to be talking about why it's time to take a line of credit for those of you that want to keep your house. Now is the time to take that line of credit. Thank you guys. Look, if you want to know more about how this stuff works, head over to investbrilliantly.com. While you're there, join our network. I have created a network called the American Wealth Builders Network. And in that network, it's free to join, by the way. In that network, you'll meet other investors like yourself that are creating wealth for themselves and their family. It's a network of investors and entrepreneurs, and we share ideas. We do deals together, we learn together, we grow together. There's an old saying that who you hang out with matters. So surround yourself with like-minded people that are going somewhere. If you want to get somewhere, you want to be around people that are going somewhere. So join our network. It's free to join. You can join right there at investbrilliantly.com. Look, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you over on the network.